Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So we're here, we're gonna slay again, create another cute, kind of look. So yeah, so if you want to see what look I come up with, you already know what to do. Keep on watching. Okay, so today we're gonna play with bPerfect X Stacey Marie, and this is Carnival 3. I'm actually gonna play with the greens. Haven't really played with these just yet, so we're gonna go first. I'm gonna go in with Forest, which is over here. I just say the names of the shades. I don't necessarily want to be lifting this Glam-amours thing all the time, so we're gonna go in with Forest, and I'm doing this on 217 from, or with a 217 from Makeup by Yolondo. Noise. Is that my computer? Man, I'm literally just started working out after surgery, and this is kicking my butt. Kicking my butt. But you gotta go. And I'm just stamping this. Stamping. I don't really like bPerfect shadows when they're not in a collab. They do a whole different formula in your collabs. Now we're gonna go into Tropics. And I'm just gonna tap that on the edge. Now back into Forest. Okay, now I want to clean my brush again, and I think I want to go into Key Lime just to blend the edges of this. Oh, this is green. And back into Tropics. And then back into Forest. I'm gonna do a cut crease. I'm not sure what I'm gonna put yet in that on my lid. So I'm gonna put this down for a second because it's, your girl need to go in and cut this crease. And from my brush and my oil. You don't need a lot of oil to do this, and you also have to be very careful with this because, as I said, this is real, makeup remover, so it will take off the makeup. So I'm gonna rub it on the back of my hand to remove the excess oil. I just see some people just use like their fingernails. I'm like, well, with this little lid, no. Perfect. Now we're gonna go in with our situation here. First, I'm gonna go with a fake. Just go in there with this. This is the C10 from Makeup by Yolondo. So I go in with this brush just to, get what I want kind of going. And now I go in with this brush, which is the CC9. And this one is very teeny and it's nice and flat and it's like perfect. It's already 10 minutes and I'm still here with this cut crease. Okay. Okay, I think I see a vision. I have a vision. So I'm gonna go into these two palettes. First, we're gonna go into this one. I think I want this yellow right here. Becky, let's go in with Becky. With that good hair. And I'm gonna put Becky like right here. I'm bringing this like kind of to the back right here. So like so. Now Jamrock Universal, and I'm gonna go into this shade right here called Glow. Glow Friend Glow. I'm using that same brush and I'm just gonna like now we're just gonna go back into these palettes and I'm gonna go into that first green that I used, Forest, and I'm just gonna put Forest like right here. Okay, that's it. So I'm gonna go off camera. I'm gonna do my other eye and I'll be right back. Okay, so we're back, and I know that this is super bright for winter, but you know what? I love it. So I'm gonna jump in my foundation. This is gonna be a little bit too dark, I think. This is my Shein foundation. Might be fine. And I'm using my flawless brush. And let's go in with our ABH. You know, sometimes you put on your lashes. I don't know if that happens to anybody that watches my video that wear lashes. It's like some days, like there's a one lash that wants to be like just a pain. Oh, boo, what are we doing? Now let's go in and blend this concealer. No, why I have green shadow right here? We're not even gonna ask about that. I'm gonna use my Nikia Joy powder, and I'm gonna use my concealer blush. Now let's go into my powder and set the face. I'm gonna go ahead and use my Chanel powder. This is translucent 3 or 4 Adore, and I'm gonna go in with my foundation brush. All these powders have like a little smell. Anything crazy, but if you don't like smell, you might not like that. Okay, now let's go to the eyes, to the eyes, to the eyes. So let's go in with this blush. This is a what? This is a what? 215. And I'm actually gonna break it up a little bit, and I'm gonna go in I'm going to this shade right here called Bloom. Just so it's not so pink. Oh, so green, sorry. Oh wow. So let's go and let's do a quick blondie. Oh, that's not my bronzer brush. That is not my bronzer brush. We're gonna go in with Juvia's Place 10. This one. See, this lash is annoying today. It's like it's doing everything to, you know, make me sin my soul. But we're not gonna do that. Yeah, it's just annoying. It's not, it's like bugging me. It is all good. Volume 1. And let's go in with here, which is Tribe Highlighter 3 from Juvia's Place. I know. What's up with all this Juvia's Place face products? You know, I don't really like their foundation. I think it's too thick. Ooh. Girl, where you going with all the time? Like, look at this. Oh my god, look at this, look at this. It's fine. So you can just dust it off a little bit, you know, to make it not so crazy. I'm actually gonna line my lip with this is Stakeout from Boxer. This is what? This is from Charlotte Tilbury, and this one is Pillow Talk 3 Intense. And now I'm gonna go in with Legit Nude from Juvia's Place. Okay, so yeah, so that's it guys for this video. I had fun creating this look. I know this is not, you know, a fall-esque look, but I just wanted to play with the greens in that palette, you know, and just create something fun. So yeah, so that's it for this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, join the family, and you know what, I'll see you on my next video. Bye guys. We dance with our razor tongues and all day long, yeah. We reset under burning sun, catching the waves, inhale, exhale, reminiscing the bygone time. Laugh till we cry, days flying by, flying by.